Santosh, can you please introduce yourself?
So, my name is Santosh Kumar. I am the director and the founder of the Yoga Darshanam Spiritual Private Limited, and it is established around 12 years ago. And we also have Yoga Darshanam Foundation, a charitable trust, a part of Yoga Darshanam company, and it's a registered yoga school from Yogalaya. And today, Yoga Darshanam is recognized as topmost teacher training course in the world map, and we have around 800 teachers in more than 85 countries. And I also have other locations apart from home school, Mysore, and some other countries also. So,
Which
and
country?
we in Dubai is there, Lebanon, and in Italy, and Korea, Philippines.
Wow.
And also we have three teachers. One is my wife Sujata, and second one is Mr. Roshan and Shiv Kumar. So three teachers are there, and apart from me.
Okay, and what do you think is the strongest point of this TDC?
So in my teacher training course, strongest point is actually the course price. So very lowest price. Me and our team have discussed, and we took this one as a challenge to give teacher training course in a lowest price, especially in home school. My teacher training course is different, fees is different in other countries. Especially in home school Mysore, we started to give this kind of a karma yoga service to the people, and it may be Westerners, maybe Indians. For both, it's offerable, and I guess it is the lowest teacher training fees in India compared to any other schools. And just for lowest teacher training fees, we are covering yoga and teacher training course. Apart from that, we cover some extra teacher training subject like yoga therapy training, prenatal yoga training, mudra yoga training, acro yoga training. So these are the teacher training subject in other school. So I am covering all these things, including my teacher training course, from morning to evening, keeping them together, morning to evening, and giving in an integrated method. So learning one subject will help them to learn another subject. So I am giving everything together, because many students asked me, to add all the subjects they are missing from all these things from other school teacher training course. So my students only forced me to add all the subjects step by step. So finally today, we are with these subjects with teacher training course.
Awesome.
That is my strongest point.
And why exactly you put acro yoga, partner yoga in?
So the reason is actually my intention of giving acro yoga or partner yoga is not for acrobatics. It's mainly for adjustment and a kind of corrections. Because as a fresher, when you go out as a teacher, in a few days, maybe a few years, you may struggle to correct and adjust, because you don't have experience of handling a body, or pulling, pushing, all these things. So here I am conducting partner yoga every day, so that this partner yoga technique will help them how to touch, how to pull partner without any injury, how to assist, and how to manage their body, all these things. Maybe their body weight, maybe if they're tall or if they're overweight. So this skill will help them, to handle their students in their class successfully. Just for skill development, and also most of the asanas are very easy to learn and practice with the help of partner yoga technique.
And what about Sanskrit? You also give a lot of importance so they understand the meaning of the word.
Yeah. In all my subjects like asana, pranayama, anything, we have explained the Sanskrit meaning, English meaning both. So at least to help them, they can remember in either in English or in Sanskrit. And also we, while explaining, we also tell Sanskrit name or English name, everything, so that some people are interested to learn Sanskrit word also, so they won't disappoint. And some are struggling to understand Sanskrit word, so English is there, so they'll be happy.
Awesome. And you also take them to a trip to the nature.
Yeah.
What way? What?
Usually in all my teacher training course, it's a kind of nature trip, and in all my teacher training course, I have this option actually. On demand actually, every students will plan, and we go to sometimes a temple side or sometimes a beach side, sometimes nature. We stay there 1 or 2 days and we practice, the yoga, pure yoga, how master was practiced in the ancient time. Like in the forest area, we practice pranayama with fresh air, and sometimes yoga asana, all these things in the temple, on the rock. And this kind of with the nature, to connect it to nature and to get into, to experience the true experience of yoga practicing in the nature. That is the reason I am encouraging to go to nature. And there's also a kind of, after having a lot of classes, a kind of refreshment also for them. So both entertainment and enlightenment.
Nice. And what about Mysore, like a yoga destination?
Yeah, actually, because it's a modern birthplace, is Mysore actually because of Krishnamacharya, then his students, Iyengar, Jois, everybody spread yoga everywhere. So now Mysore is recognized as the topmost yoga city in the world map, and the certificate also very varied, and Mysore name in the certificate will recognize very nicely, and if anybody study in Mysore, they feel that it's a kind of traditional yoga practice. And truly all masters, whoever masters are giving yoga class and yoga training here in Mysore, we are almost going in a traditional manner.
Okay, beautiful. And a difficult question now. How you can explain what is yoga to someone who don't know anything about yoga?
See, according to me, yoga is actually a connection. So connection is actually, it may be initially connecting body with my breath, because I don't know anything about that. So I will deal with these things too. Then slowly I will make them to understand, to connect with body, breath, spirit, and then soul, supreme soul, all these things step by step. So finally they can connect with some initial things, and that is very far from them. So initially I will start to deal with them, to handle body, breath, at least let them understand their body, increase their health, all these things. Slowly they will understand body, breath, spirit, and finally connect with universe.
Beautiful. And how did you get in contact with yoga?
So initially I was suffering from problems like tonsillitis and migraine, sinusitis, all these things. I was not interested to practice yoga. My master pushed me to practice yoga, and also my master said some of the yoga practices very useful for sinusitis, tonsillitis, all these things. That encouraged me to practice something just to cure myself. Slowly later, actually, I started to I started to get benefits from these yoga practices. I cured my tonsillitis, sinusitis, all these things, and then I got some interest that simple technique is curing something. So then I started to practice yoga deeply, and after some time, I became a professionally teacher also. Before taking yoga as a professional, I was an artist, then dancer, police, yoga, school teacher. Then I dropped everything, and finally, it was pushing me to the yoga, and it's good now, to reach into international level, and to develop as a, my system as a one of the recognized yoga training school in the world map.
Awesome. And last question, what tip will you give to fresh new students of TTC? Like, what advice? One person who just arrived to the TTC, what would you advise?
Usually, if they don't have enough preparation, we give some preparation also. Right now also one of the student is taking a preparation. She is going to attend next training program. She is doing some preparation now. So we advise some preparation also in our school. We have a teacher. We tell them to work with our teacher at least few days to get into our teacher training track. And if anybody is experienced, not a problem, because in our teacher training course is not only straight away advanced. We have everything from basic to advanced, so that they will cover up many things. Even there are so many beginners level things also there. Even if they are not able to understand 100%, if they cover 80% or 50% also, more than enough. So they can grow as a successful teacher.
Okay, 100%. Thank you so much for